Hey guys, in today's do-it-yourself vlog video, as you can see, we have real life going on, but we're going to be showing you several things. We're going to have a clean with me, a decorate with me, and a glam kitchen tour. So you know what to do. Keep watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. Alright family, it's time to get started. All I'm doing here, you guys, I am just cleaning my sink and getting my dishwater ready. You guys, I do always add a few drops of Clorox to my dishwater. Let me know if you do that as well. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Aekey. Now you guys, Aekey is a seller on Amazon. They reached out to me to sponsor this product. You guys, make sure you do check them out. They are a very small independent company. Make sure you help her, and it is a female-based company as well. So you guys, make sure you are checking that link. All of the information is down in my description. Now once again, this is my package and I'm just going to take it out, and it does come with a sponge. But this is that Aekey dish soap dispenser for your kitchen, you guys. Now one thing about this dish soap dispenser, the material is plastic and the measurements is 5.2 in length by 3.54 in width and 3.94 in height. It has a rectangular shape. It has effortless dispensing with a large capacity because it does hold 13 ounces of fluid or your dish liquid. You spend less time washing up. This sponge and this dispenser is designed to help reduce your time that you do spend in the kitchen. It has a one-hand dispensing operation that allows you to wash dishes faster while reducing space taken up at your sink. It eliminates clutter. This kitchen soap dispenser was attached with caddy holes, sponges, scrubbers, rags, scouring pads in one convenient place while keeping water off your kitchen counters. No more messy spills, dripping, or trailing. And you guys, you see this depression. It has also a prevent waste, so when you are pressing under the release of the press, it stops pulling in your dish soap. I will tell you guys, those pumps takes in a lot of detergent, so I'm telling you, one pump goes a tremendous long way. And as you can see, all the soap here, and they have a quality promise, and they say if you happen to feel unsatisfied with the use of their kitchen soap dispenser with that sponge, if you just contact them, they'll do their best to provide you a solution, including a refund or return. Alright you guys, now with that being said, we're getting back to the dishes, and as you can see, we're putting this soap pump to use. Once again, click that link in the description and make sure you check them out. And you guys, once again, this is a small independent owned female based company. Please check them out. If you have any recommendations for a kitchen sink, please drop me a comment. We will be changing out the kitchen sink as well, but just send me a couple recommendations. But we're going to change the sink out, you guys, and I will give you a little spoiler alert. The changes that we will be implementing back in the kitchen, we will be bringing that gold back. So drop me a few links or even send me a couple emails for a recommendation for your kitchen sink, also the kitchen hardware as well. Please don't forget to check out Aekey's dish soap dispenser. That link is in my description. And this portion of the video is sponsored by GHome Smart Store. They are a seller on Amazon, and they sent me this dual pack of these smart plugs. All of their information is down in my description box along with that discount code. Please make sure you check them out. Now, once again, these GHome smart plugs, they are outlet extenders and surge protectors as well. Their dual smart socket works with Alexa and Google Home. These mini Wi-Fi plugs, you can control them independently or together. They are 10 amps. They came along with the instructions. Like I say, this pack here is a 4-pack. All of the information for operating these plugs is in that box as well. But this is what the plug looks like, you guys, and I'm going to just install them and show you what they look like. Now, like I said before, you guys, you can set these up to be on a schedule or a timer. They have a compact design. You can also program them to work with your phone, so you can control these plugs from anywhere, you guys. Now, as we set these plugs up, I will tell you they can be voice controlled. They can be controlled by your app. You can share the device. It's easy setup, and you guys, they have no hood required. And once again, you guys, do make sure you check that link down in the description if you are looking to turn your home into a smart home. And as you can see, I'm plugging them in here, and I'm giving you a close-up, you guys. When you connect them, they start to blink, which means letting you know they're coming online to run your plugs. Once again, this is GHome Store, a Amazon seller. Now I'm just plugging in my phone charger. As you can see, it started charging very well. I do like how quickly they did charge my phone. It seemed to charge better than my other charger, but that's neither here nor there, you guys. But make sure you check them out. Now, let's get this thesis done. Now, this section of the video is sponsored by Aekey. The reason you saw me running that water in that earlier clip is I wanted to show you guys this water leak detector from Aekey. It is their mini water detector alarm, you guys. It's battery powered, and it water alarms for basements, sinks, tanks, pools, or anywhere where you have water at, you guys. Yo, guys, this is a simple, easy install. You just put this plug under your sink in the place of where water would drip at, and it will alarm when water hits it. Now, you guys, I did include that link down in my description box. Please make sure you do check them out. This does require 2 AAA batteries as well, guys. And it operates independently and does not feature any Wi-Fi connectivity. It also has real-time monitoring, you guys, for water leaks and floods. The 4-button sponsor probe and the 2 sponsor probes on the back detects water leaks and flooding. Like I say, it's easy for your bathroom or your kitchen. Now, you guys, make sure you do check them out. And you guys, make sure you do check those links down in the description for the sponsored items that was featured here in this video. And to you guys, this kitchen is just a subtle makeover. We did make a few minor changes. You're gonna see that. Also, too, make sure you do come back for that home tour. As you can see, you guys, we did change this picture out here, and it's actually larger than the other picture up, but you're going to see this still in an upcoming DIY as well. also too, you guys, TT did film this kitchen tour. She did a wonderful job. Let her know down in the comments. Now you guys, don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen DIY and the Glam Queen of Decor. You're gonna see Glam Queen of Decor taking on that new name change at the beginning of the week. Now you guys, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.